In the heart of Wajir, a region where deep-rooted traditions often dictate the course of justice, one woman is breaking barriers and redefining the role of law enforcement. Sergeant Fardowsa Yussuf, a dedicated officer with the National Police Service, is not just enforcing the law but also giving a voice to the voiceless. As the world marks International Women's Day, NTV's Nurdin El-Moge shines a light on Fardowsa's journey of courage and resilience.
Fardowsa, why are you staying very far?
Fardowsa Yussuf, a sergeant with the National Police Service, is breaking cultural barriers that have stood for decades. Dressed in her crepe's white shirt, blue trousers, and police beret, she has become a beacon of hope for many Malaws seeking justice through the utumishi kwa wote.
Wewe ndio utaweka combination rock?
For local mothers grappling with gender-based violence, trust is everything. A woman in uniform, one who understands their struggles firsthand, offers more than just help. She offers a safe space. This is why Fardowsa has become the heartbeat of Wajir's women, a gender champion in a male-dominated world.
My duties as a police officer, particularly gender desk, whereby we deal cases of sexual offenses, rape, defilement, children in need of care protection, child labor, and many more cases.
Fardowsa does not just talk about gender justice. She walks it, she breathes it, and implements it where it matters most, at the grassroots level, where many women face daily battles just to be heard.
When you're negotiating about me, the victim, I was raped, and it is the men who are talking, who is benefiting. It is the men, and unfortunately now money changes hands, and it is the men who benefit.
Fighting gender-based violence in a male-dominated society requires more than just routine police investigations and courtroom trials. It demands empathy, resilience, and a deep understanding of the community. A role Fardowsa embodies not just as an officer, but as a mother and a fellow woman. Senior officers recognize the power of her voice, her ability to bridge the gap between law enforcement and the community, navigating the delicate balance of language, culture, and justice.
A lot of civil, maybe RAD issues, those are things that we can take. But when it comes to criminal matters, I think we should let the wheels of justice move around.
As the world marks International Women's Day this week, it is voices like Fardowsa's, often unheard, yet deeply impactful, that reminds us the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Nurdin El-Moge, NTV.